Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome to today's Get Ready With Me. So this is day 2 of a new series that I'm trying on my channel where I'm going to try to do like a mini Get Ready With Me with you guys for the most part every single day. So if you missed the first installment of this, I'll link it up here for y'all. Yesterday's video I thought was good, but it was way longer than I wanted it to be. I want these videos to be like no longer than like 10 minutes, but I'm really shooting for like 5 to 8 minutes. Because I'm going to try to get these videos uploaded and published before I go to work in the morning. And yesterday's video was like 13 minutes long. So we'll see how I do today. So anyway, today I'm actually in a really good mood because for the past week or so, I've been dealing with severe back pain. And the doctor says that I have a mild case of sciatica. If you're familiar with sciatica, I don't have the classic symptom of the pain shooting down the side of my leg, but he still thinks it's sciatica. I had like one spot in my lower back where the pain seemed to be radiating to different parts of my body, and this all started Monday evening. Today is Sunday, so this started this past Monday, and my back started to hurt. And I have like every day, like I'll call it low back discomfort. I won't call it pain because it doesn't prevent me from going about my day-to-day activities, but I do have back discomfort that I've been dealing with for years. But on Monday night, the pain that I was feeling, I knew I've had this happen before, so I had a pretty good feeling that I was going to wake up Tuesday morning in really bad back pain, and that's exactly what happened. So I ended up going to bed a little bit earlier than I normally would on Monday because my back started to hurt. When I woke up Tuesday morning, I was in severe, I would call it severe pain. It actually took me about 10 minutes to get out of the bed, and I had to rely on like holding on to furniture or holding on to the wall to like walk around because I couldn't just walk on my own because I was just in too much pain. And I was just so happy that I was already scheduled to be off of work on Tuesday because I had just gotten back from my family reunion, so I took an extra day off just because I had the days to take off. But if I was supposed to go to work on Tuesday, there was no way in the world I'd be able to go to work because I just felt way too bad. Every day since Tuesday, the pain has been getting better and better, which is the same thing that happened the last time I had one of these episodes. And today when I woke up, I didn't even realize when I first got out of bed that I wasn't thinking about my back. Like maybe 20, 30 minutes or so after getting out of bed, that's when it hit me that, hey, my back isn't hurting. I wasn't, thinking about my back at all, which is a great sign. So I'm feeling really good today because I just feel better than I've felt in like a week or so. So do any of you guys suffer from sciatica or like low back pain in general? Like, how do you guys deal with it? I'm not a big medicine taker at all. Like, if the doctor says I have to go on to like an antibiotic or something like that, I'll take it, but I'm really not into taking medicine at all. But with this back pain that I had, I did break down and I ended up buying what is it called? What did I buy? I bought Aleve back and muscle pain, I believe. And the doctor said, just to be on the safe side, just keep taking that around the clock for the next week or so. So don't like doing that, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my mascara off camera since I'm trying to keep these videos short. So I'm gonna throw on some mascara and I'll be right back. Yeah, so I'm not really into taking medicine at all. I'm very much into home remedies. So the doctor said for right now, I don't have to worry about getting x-rays or anything like that. If the back pain becomes more persistent, then I may have to get x-rays one day. But prior to this episode, I had this back pain maybe 3 or 4 months ago. And then prior to that, I had it like over a year ago. So he seems to think that right now I'm okay with just relying on home remedies or over-the-counter medication to ease the pain. So I am taking the Aleve. And then I'm also using heat to relieve my back pain. So I bought a couple of heating pads. And then whenever I'm in the shower, I just let the hot water, I get the water as hot as I can stand it, and then just let it run on my back for as long as I can. But, you know, like I said, I'm feeling really good today, so I'm just happy that the pain is going away. So I'm going to get this video uploaded for y'all and go about my day. So make sure you hit me up in the comments before you head out today. Let me know what y'all have planned, whatever it is. I hope that y'all have a very blessed and productive day, and I hope to see y'all back for tomorrow's Get Ready With Me. Until then, take care. See y'all later. Bye.